Is your Galaxy Watch 6 not tracking step correctly, or maybe your compass fell off? Before going to service, you can run a full sensor check directly from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's easy, fast, and can save you a lot of time. Let me show you how to do it. First, head into Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under Additional Care section, tap Diagnostic. Tap Watch Diagnostic. Now tap Sensors to start checking your Galaxy Watch 6 sensors. In just a few seconds, you will see the result. As you can see in the screen, the result of the sensor check is normal. It also lists all the sensors that have been tested and its result, such as accelerometer is normal, pressure sensor is normal, and so on. This tells you that all the internal sensors in your Galaxy Watch 6 are working properly. So why is this useful? Let's say your compass is off, or the screen doesn't adjust brightness correctly, or you are not seeing movement data. Instead of guessing, just run the sensor test and check everything in seconds. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.